Oh my God, help me, Jesus. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fun video that I've wanted to do for quite some time. Today I thought we would talk about some very important things that I feel all you ladies out there watching need to know to be your most independent and self-sufficient selves. Because at the end of the day, ladies, and all of us really, we shouldn't be depending on anyone but ourselves to get what we want out of life, do what we want, be our best selves, be happy, prosperous, and free. So these are my top 10 things that I encourage every woman out there watching that you need to have going on for yourself in your life to be independent and self-sufficient. Number 1, drive. Please, ladies, you gotta learn how to drive. And I don't care where in the world you live, and I'm well aware that there are areas of the world that we do live in where women are not allowed to drive, and I couldn't live there. It is so important to learn how to get yourself from point A to point B without anyone's help. Knowing how to drive your own car, there is nothing like it. The freedom, the control that you have to come and go as you please, there's nothing like it. And I know that there are some of you out there watching this now where maybe you're afraid because you're not 16 anymore, and it's okay. Even if you have no dreams, no aspirations of even owning a car, because that was my attitude when I was 16. I didn't actually get off my booty and go get my license until I was 17. All my friends, you know, they were standing at the door ready to get their license on the day of their 16th birthday. But I dragged my feet a little bit, but I did get it. And I am so thankful that I did. You never know when the opportunity is going to present itself in your life where you'll be able to have your own car. And at the very least, before that can ever happen, you need to have your license. Number 2, cook. Yes, since the beginning of time, women have always been expected to know how to cook. At this point in 2018, we all should know how to cook. Every adult, man and woman, should know how to cook for themselves. But I know that there's a segment of the population out there of women who are independent, career-driven. Nobody's gonna tell me I need to be in the kitchen type of women out there that have the money to eat out 3 meals a day, every day. And that's wonderful that you got it like that, that you don't have to cook. And I'm not telling you that you have to. I'm saying you need to at least know how to prepare, 5 good meals. I'm not talking about sandwiches, no salads, no opening a can of whatever and pouring it into a pot to heat it up on a stove. No, cook food, real food. Know how to cook a whole chicken. Know how to cook, a nice pasta dish or two. Know how to cook rice properly so that it's not burnt on the bottom. We ladies need to know how to feed ourselves as well as our families. If you do have one or you're planning on having one in the future, don't be one of those people that has to go out and buy something to eat or you're gonna starve. Know how to give your body, treat your body well with good food. Number 3, personal grooming. I am a huge advocate of YouTube, especially the platform that you're watching me on right now, because it has given people an affordable option to learn how to do things for themselves. I love going on social media and having someone teach me how to do a wing liner, teach me how to paint my nails. It's great to be able to go out and have a professional do your hair, have a professional makeup application done, but don't be that person that has an event to go to, an important occasion, and your hairdresser is out of town, and as a result, your hair ends up looking crazy at your event. You go to make your next nail appointment, the nail salon is gone out of business. Now you don't know what you're gonna do about your raggedy looking nails. Know how to do your own hair, know how to do your own makeup, know how to do your own nails, know how to style your body, know what looks good. When those moments arise in life, you got it. You don't need to go seek out a professional to help you. You can help yourself. Number 4, and this is probably the biggest one of them all, become financially independent. Now, I'm sure there are many of you ladies out there who may be watching this video and you're stay-at-home moms or housewives, maybe with no children, and you're able to live that lifestyle because your significant other makes a very healthy living. You don't need to work. You don't need to go outside of the home and bring in anything. For every woman out there who lives that life now, there are another segment of the population of women who used to live that life and now regret it because the man done left their ass or passed away unexpectedly, got sick or injured severely enough that he could no longer work, and now your life is in a tailspin and you don't know what to do. You don't know how you're gonna pay the next month's bills. All that really matters is what you can do for yourself. And there's nothing better. There is no greater satisfaction than to be able to go out and do something for yourself, not have to ask someone or depend on someone else to pay a bill, to buy you something, take you somewhere. It's a wonderful feeling. It makes you feel like a boss to be able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, in your own way, on your own time. 5. And this is a good one, especially as it pertains to social media a lot of the time. Do your own research. And I find that women especially do this way too much in life, constantly asking other people's opinions, asking other people for information when you should be taking the initiative yourself to seek out information on your own. There are so many different ways of doing it. There's nothing wrong with asking an opinion, especially if you've done the work, you've done the research and you're still confused. Sure, ask questions and pick other people's brains that know more than you, but definitely do your own research. 6, learn how to fix things. Huge. So many women don't know how to unclog a toilet, don't know how to change a flat tire. There are so many little things that can happen around your home. It would be really great if you could learn how to do yourself and not always constantly be asking other people for help. That's kind of the whole point of this video, is believing in yourself, doing things for yourself, educating yourself on a variety of different things. You're not just lost and frustrated and upset with other people because they won't help you. How often do we see that? People getting upset with other people for not doing something or helping out. So definitely learn how to fix things, especially if you live alone. It's a great thing to be able to fix little things, do little things that you really can learn how to do for yourself and you don't need help from anyone else. 7, release expectations. One of the top 3 major issues that I've had to work on and get over in my own life, releasing expectations of other people. When you take full responsibility, you're in complete control of your own life and you're not wanting or needing waiting, wishing, hoping someone else is gonna do something for you, it's an amazingly freeing feeling. Leave people alone and let them do whatever the hell they wanna do, and just do you. Number 8, believe in yourself. So often women do not trust their guts. We have that woman's intuition, right? Go with your gut, trust yourself, know that this decision that you're about to make is going to be the right one, is gonna lead down a good path for you. Believe in yourself. Stop second guessing, stop asking others for their opinions. They don't matter. They're not you. They don't live your life. Trust yourself. Number 9, be self-motivated. So often, too often, people are looking for outside motivation. I want to find the perfect person to follow on YouTube or on Instagram to get my daily dose of motivation. That needs to come from within. You need to motivate yourself. At the end of the day, this is your life. And if you're not getting what you want out of life, things are not going your way, no one really cares. It's all on you. Doesn't matter whether or not I get any help or support from anyone. I want to go back to school. I want to get this degree. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make the decision to get up every morning and go to the gym to lose this weight that I want to lose. I'm going to get it done myself. Motivate yourself. Dig deep within yourself. Going on social media to find motivation isn't the answer. It's already there within you if you dig deep enough. And number 10, the last tip, know who you are. There are people talking at you, coming at you with all kinds of craziness, trying to tell you who you are, what you're gonna do, how it's gonna be. You need to know who you are so those people can't faze you, can't break you, can't infiltrate your mind and your heart and soul and take you off of the track that you're on to fulfill your destiny. And I truly believe that a lot of heartache, a lot of drama and negativity that people deal with in life, it's from a lot of outside influences breaking you down, and they're able to do that because you don't know who you are. When you know who you are, it's a wrap. People can say what they want to say, do what they want to do. It doesn't matter. So that's it, guys. Those are 10 things that every woman should know to be their most independent and self-sufficient selves. I hope this was a helpful video for you. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also subscribe for many more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.